Now, I would like to welcome to the stage Mr. Dimitry Kozak, the Deputy Prime Minister, of course, of the Russian Federation. Please come to the stage.
Good morning, dear friends, colleagues. First and foremost, on behalf of the government of the Russian Federation and the Russian Organizing Committee of GMIS, and on my own behalf, I would like to welcome each and all of you as participants of this major international event. Your being here is testimony not only to the fact that you're interested in the discussions of global challenges for the industry. This is also a testimony to your interest in Russia and its capabilities and in industrial business in our country. I'd like to thank all of those who are looking to Russia and who have hopes for it. On behalf of the government, I would like to assure you that we'll do everything within our powers to make sure that your expectations come true. This summit, GMIS, is hosted in a city that has the rightful claim to being not just the capital of the Urals region, but also the industrial capital of Russia. The region's history is inextricably linked to the development of our industry. The summit happens at a time of the main national industrial exhibition happening during the same week. I'm sure that the combination of GMIS and Innerprom can become an effective platform to strengthen international manufacturing cooperation. It will be a unique discussion club for singling out challenges in this field of industrialization. In May 2018, during the International Economic Forum in St. Petersburg, a memorandum was signed to hold this summit in Russia. Even though we didn't have enough time to get everything ready for it, we've been able to provide the infrastructure for the forum. And I would like to thank the governor and the government of the Sverdlovsk region, the Ministry of Trade and Industry of the Russian Federation, and the whole organizing team for this big event. There's a wide agenda, and it can become the common platform for companies, for national representatives, and for the choice of technological platforms for the future. The economic changes, the reasonable economic rivalry often give birth to uncertainty and disjointedness, which means that summits like GMIS are increasingly important. They provide for a coordinated understanding of the future, allow us to get adjusted for it, to adapt to the realities of international trade and economics at on the brink of the fourth industrial revolution. The agenda of this forum has to do with the nature, with the role of biomimicry and its impact on society. The summit today is aimed to address global sustainable development goals of the UN. This is a necessary discussion to reinstate the balance between the bio and the technospheres. I am certain that all of the participants of this summit will not only be able to participate in the discussions of the agenda, but also to become exposed to traditions of Russian hospitality that you will find here in Yekaterinburg. I would like to wish all of you success and every success in your activity as you work for the prosperity of your countries and companies. I wish you all productive work here at the GMIS, and welcome to Russia.